back to our cooking video. Today we're going to be making Christmas cheesecake. So we're going to crush down the biscuits to make the base. We're going to melt some butter in the saucepan. When the butter melted, add the biscuit and cook for a few minutes. Flatten your biscuits down and put it in the fridge for about 30 or 40 minutes. I am now going to whip the cream. I am now going to mix the ice and sugar, cream, cheese and chocolate. I am going to add my whipped cream to the mixer. I am now going to add my mixer to the base. So hope you enjoy our special video of me making cheesecake. So if you like it, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Till the next vlog, be tomorrow. I didn't do a vlog today, but I'll be back tomorrow for a vlog. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, hard to believe. So till tomorrow, thanks for watching.